it's something internally to the park, what can we do? But we want to make sure that we follow proper protocols, so when we get to the stage, when we get to the escalation of our boss, my boss, we did everything we possibly can.
So we are officially starting our day 3 early this morning. I had a cheerleading meeting, so that was the start of my day. I had to sit through my coach's clinic to be certified for a coach for this season. So after the meeting, we got ready, and now we're about to head to Trader Joe's again for one thing. It's a part of the to-do list for one thing. We headed to Trader Joe's for one thing.
That's right.
Why?
For some motherfucking mangoes, nigga.
So, babe,
that's what I want. I want mangoes.
He found some more mangoes. They different from the ones he normally gets, but the ones we got on the day we arrived, he actually liked them. So we're going back to get him a couple packs to hold him over for the rest of the week. And then after that, we're gonna go pick up some brunch. Do you know what restaurant we're going to?
I'm gonna assume we're gonna go to Yardbird.
So we're gonna go to a restaurant called Yardbird for brunch. Is this the bottomless mimosas?
No, Social Club is bottomless mimosas. That's on Collins, which is over there. We're going to Yardbird, which is close to Trader Joe's.
Okay.
For Tommy Fishes.
Okay, so we're gonna go pick up some brunch, and after that we're just gonna try to kill time, because today is gonna be our beach day, but it's too hot to go to the beach so early. So we trying to let the sun just like die down just a little bit, and then we'll go to the beach. How many you getting?
We'll just get these. Alright.
Hey guys, I'm sorry. We don't allow filming in the store.
Okay.
I'm sorry about that.
Okay.
Looking all sad like a grown man and shit.
Trying to.
Hey.
How you doing? Man, we done knocked the food out. We trying to see what the next play is.
There's plenty to do.
Yeah, we was gonna go to the beach, but we get our chairs and towels for free, and I think it stops at like 4:30. So we trying to be comfortable. You know what I mean? So it's like, I don't know if that's
Like 9 a.m. you want to get out there.
Yeah.
It's like all
Well,
day.
see, this is my thing. I was like, it'd be hot as hell. So really, I want to get out there like 3:30, 4 o'clock, something like that. It's gonna be worse. Heat wise?
You need to go like 9 a.m. like when the sun's like coming up, but it's not like direct, or you need to wait till about 6,
Like 6.
4, 5, right when they're about
That's
to
what I
sit
was-
down and
yeah.
then, like catch the sunset.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Something like that. And then, you know, we wouldn't be out there just burning up. You're not gonna do
This is
that.
what y'all do. This is what y'all do.
This is what she did.
That's what's up, man.
It's focusing good.
It is?
Yes.
I told you must have warmed it up or something.
It says Miami Beach on it, like it's probably Miami.
Oh, okay. I knew the old trolley and all.
I mean, yeah, even the trash cans, like say Miami Beach on it, all that shit's designed by our team.
Oh, yeah.
Everything. Every vehicle.
Probably parked for free and all.
Yeah,
Yeah, plugged in, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, man, that's why I said anything on the beach, like you want to know where it's at, like I got you. And if you guys want to travel, if you driving, are you
No, we've been taking a trolley, walking, just
you can if you do decide to go over, like next week, you decide to go over the bridge.
that's what we're gonna do.
That's where I'm gonna go. I got a photo shoot after this, but I'm going over in
Today?
So we made it back to the room, and I'm trying to figure out if we're gonna get back up and do some, because the longer Because the longest I
Man. Because what?
because if I lay here any longer, I ain't gonna want to get back up.
We going to walk the pier.
We gonna walk the pier.
We gonna hang out at the pier or go to Sweet Lounge. One of them things Dean's talking about.
Oh man, I done grab me a little blanket so I won't get under the sheets, because once I pull them sheets back and get up under, I ain't trying to.
Look how much sunlight is on this woman's face, and she talking about going to sleep
because
and laying down.
I'm
laying down, but I'm tipsy. That's the difference.
these chips right here. Best chips ever. So I'm sitting here snacking on some chips, trying to warm up in this ice box of a room and figure out what we're doing next, just in case we don't do nothing, because babe tipsy
Just in case we don't do nothing?
and he leads the show. So we doing something tonight.
We doing something tonight.
What we doing?
I mean, we got options. So
I'm trying to fix you up like that husky on Instagram.
well, I look like just a head.
You always just got a head, bruh.
I got options. We going somewhere tonight.
Okay. And he said we going somewhere. I said if I lay here any much longer, we ain't.
Alright, get ready.
Get ready for what? I'm ready.
For
If
a
we
night
about
out
to
on the town.
look, I need to know if I need to put on some tennis shoes or I need to put on some heels.
You need both.
Look, how can I have
Because
both?
we
I'm
might
not
have to
carrying
walk,
anything.
but then you want to look cute when we there. You know we've been taking a trolley everywhere we go.
Look, I
You
ain't
know that
trying
trolley don't take you right to the front door of these places.
I ain't trying to carry none in my hands.
Oh, well. Oh.